Alright, y'all. Oh, they think I'm mom. Mom's been giving a lot of them milk. Now they think that I'm gonna give them some milk. Maybe in a little bit. So, Buddha's babies are 1 month old today. 4 straight weeks. Thought I'd get on here and give y'all an update on how everything is looking. So right now they are starting to retract their claws. Oh, scrap it out. Scrap it out. Yeah, so when kittens are born, their nails are just out. They're not able to actually retract them. And it's about at the 4-week mark when they start retracting their claws or having the ability to. So they're starting to do that. They're very playful, very loud and rambunctious. I hear you. I'm not doing nothing to her, Buddha. So Mom's been coming down here every night and just giving them like a little boost of extra milk. So we're thinking what was wrong with the gray kitten was he or she was having trouble latching onto nipples. He never could really latch on it. When he did, he only stayed latched for a few seconds. So he's just having a lot of trouble actually nursing. Doesn't seem to be anything wrong with him. He's growing now that we took a syringe and put a nipple on it, the miracle nipple, and we just very slowly dropped milk into his mouth and let him swallow it. That's about the only way that he can actually like really nurse, really get a good bit in him. What are you doing, little dude? You better not be climbing in there to use the bathroom. No, you just want to sit in the water bowl? I mean the food bowl? Just like I just want to sit here. That's weird. Don't be a weirdo. I really hope you're not using the bathroom, dude. They're not supposed to yet. They're not supposed to be using the bathroom yet. Why is he just sitting in the food bowl? Like I'm just gonna chill right here. That's bizarre. Yeah, he's not using the bathroom. He's just like, I'm just gonna sit in the food bowl. It's kind of bizarre. And now that one's like, hey, I want to see if this is comfortable. Is it comfortable? If it fits, it sits. Is that what we're doing now? Look at them beautiful eyeballs. Yeah, pretty. They're getting still just like, oh, it's fine. It's fine. I'm just gonna sit right here. Don't mind me. So I thought I'd just give y'all a video update. They are drinking a little bit of that water over there. They're not really trying to eat like food. We did put a saucer of milk down here a couple of times. And some of them kind of licked it, but for the most part they just literally fell into the water or walked through it or dipped their tail in it, so we decided against that. Oh, is somebody getting you? Someone biting? Are they biting? And the little teethy's not feeling too good. The orange cat is like, I got you, Mom. I'll help. You need some loving? I'll pet your face. Oh, bless it. They're so cute, and they're getting pretty big. Even the little gray baby is pretty big. I thought about going live on Facebook. And but I thought like a video like this, whoever adopts these babies would get to watch the video over and over and over and whatnot. I thought this would be better. I don't know if you can go back and actually rewatch live videos, like years out or whatever. So I just thought this would probably be the best way to do it. Look how cute. Somebody's biting her. She's gonna roll over. And that orange kitten is like, nope, you can't do it. You can't get rid of me. Hey, Boo. Oh, Boo's like, I want out. Come on, Boo. You want out? Stand up so she can see if she can get out. She's like, I want away from all of them. You feed them. You do this crap. Come on, Booty, you can get out. Don't act like you don't know how to get out. Let's see, here, I'll move the chair closer. There. How's that? Here's my little ring light situation. Just sit on the edge of the box, got you. Oop. And she's like, you deal with this. I'm going on vacation. All right. So if I can open up both the edges of the boxes. Why are you hollering? Why are y'all hollering? Why are y'all acting? Oh, let me put this down. Buddha's like, oh my God, my babies. My babies, what are you doing to them? I haven't touched them. I haven't touched them, Miss Buddha. Miss Buddha Boo. I have not touched your babies. Meow. Meow. It's like I'm not doing nothing with them. Maybe I ought to straighten up this blanket a little bit. I've got food everywhere. That blanket's going to be changed. She hates it when I do that, though. Hey, Miss Boo Boo. See, I told you I wouldn't touch them. They're just hollering to be hollering. Well, I think I'm going to go ahead and get off of here, let Buddha simmer down these babies, and get back to life.